Good morning to everyone. Before we proceed, I would like to wish Ma'am Alba G. Mataganas, our Department Head in Textbook, Master Teacher 2, a pleasant day, ma'am. As part of my class observation, I am going to give a tutorial about the fundamentals of Microsoft Excel application. The Excel is a very important software that can be used to different aspects of our life, both in academic and professional world. Therefore, it is important that we are armed with knowledge sufficient enough to use the said application with maximum efficiency. At the end of this tutorial, the learners are expected to, number one, customize basic workbook settings. Two, to be able to adjust the columns and the rows and the cells of Microsoft Excel's application. Next, formatting cells and text, and then stylize the file and various shortcut keys with mathematical formula. Without so much to do, let's start our Excel tutorial. Our topic this morning is about fundamentals of Microsoft Excel application. A spreadsheet is a file made rows and columns that helps sorting data, arrange data easily, and calculate numerical data. The primary reason most of the people use spreadsheet is for automatic calculation. Yung spreadsheet na program natin sa Microsoft Excel, napalaking tulong talaga, lalo na sa mga opisina na ginagamit natin for calculation, magawa ng payroll, or any accounting na sa financial, like me as a teacher, sa pag-compute ng grado. So, magagamit talaga ang Microsoft Excel. Excel is a version of spreadsheet and most widely used program worldwide. So, to start, first is click natin sa Start button and then All Programs, and then hanapin natin yung Microsoft Excel application. So, Start button, hanapin natin yung Microsoft Excel application. This is the environment of Microsoft Excel. The active cell is a thick border in a Microsoft Excel application, and this is the column heading. Okay? Ito yan siya. Column heading yan. And then, ito yung row heading. This is the name box. At ito rin yung formula bar. The menu bar and the title bar. So, in working with Excel fundamentals, paano tayo mag-enter ng data or data entry in Microsoft Excel? So, in entering data, you can enter text, numbers, and dates in Excel worksheet. To enter data or any type, you can click on cell you want to contain the data, and then you type what is the information you can enter to the cell. When you begin typing, the data also appears in the formula bar. So, once na mag-type tayo, example, nag-enter tayo dito ng 1 and 2, automatic yan. Nag-enter tayo dito sa active cell ng 1 and 2, automatic yan. If you click 1, automatic yan, mag-appear yan sa formula bar. Then, when you have finished typing the data for the active cell, press return to the key. Example, type tayo dito na Internet and Computing Fundamentals. Yan. So, just click and then i-align natin dito yung cell alignments sa middle line. You can choose the formatting to bold, italic ba, or naka-underline. Or you can change the font style. Pwede mo siyang change. This is the merge or the merging a cell. So, create a larger cell. Next, to save naman tayo, paano natin i-save to? So, in saving a workbook or a worksheet, just click File, Save. May nakalagay dito, Save at saka Save As. Ano yung function nila? Bakit may save? Bakit may save as? The function of this is, if you save a workbook, automatic yan. Kung i-save mo directly, automatic yan. Ma-save siya sa my documents. Okay? Kung ito namang save as, option siya, saan mo i-save. I-browse mo siya, saan mo siya i-save? Sa drive ba? At saka, ang importante, ma-save siya sa proper location. Example, if you save to the desktop, okay, desktop, and then maglagay ka ng file name. Ano yung file name mo? Sa desktop, pwede kang mag-create ka ng folder dito, okay? Create ka ng folder. So, file, and then pwede itong i-save sa ICF. So, example, save ka ng Maguate, output number 2. Because of COVID-19 pandemic, face-to-face interaction is not feasible. However, does not mean that we have to stop learning. We have to adapt to the so-called new normal and find ways to be flexible in learning. This is why we are conducting this virtual tutorial, our technological answer in this new age of learning. I hope that you have learned a lot from this tutorial, and we will give our best to impart you with more useful skills and knowledge. Mayong adlaw sa tanan. This is your Sir John saying, laban lang, makasugako data.